Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's August the 17th, 2022. We're going to talk about Stepn today. Move to earn, and the bullish continuation is still being seen on the chart. I've been eyeing the market in Stepn since my last video, and this market has been very reluctant into falling down in price. So I said, let me come in and do a price prediction for my subscribers and show them what I think the market in Stepn is going to do now. So welcome everyone to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is where we do price predictions without the confusion, without the complexities. We simply come through and look at the money, look at the price to see what everyone else is up to. And if we can see what the majority of the market is doing, we can get ahead of them and actually get in position and win in this space. So you guys want to join me, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel if you guys want to learn more, because I do this for real. All right, so check this out real quick. I did a video in Stepn all the way back here since June 28th. I've been playing the weakness into the market in Stepn. As you all can tell, this market has been following this ascending line precisely. Like every time price comes down to this ascending line, it bounces and price continues to go up. Now, not only that, also recognize that the market has been getting rejected around $1.10 for a long time as well. So we are nearing an explosion point between either the market breaking out or the market in Stepn breaking down. So the trend could go either way, honestly. But seeing how the market has been very reluctant in going down since my last price prediction, then obviously the market is trying to break out. It's trying to break up above $1.10. So I wanted to come in and show you all what's really happening into the market before it actually happens, right? So let me go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction, because it's not going the way I expected it to go. When it happens, you know you need to cut it, let it go, because if you don't, you run the risk of increasing those losses. So if we were to get out right now, we're down 20%. I get it, it happens, but what we do is that we get it back and more. All right, so check us out. We're going to continue to follow the trend in Stepn, right? We can see it. The market has given us what we needed to know. As long as this price in Stepn continues to hold this ascending line, we're going to expect the market to move higher. And once we see this price in Stepn break outside of this restriction line, which is right here around $1.10, the next area that the market in Stepn will run to is going to be around $1.30. To the next area of $1.60. Okay, so I'm still looking for the market to go up. All right, that's my newest idea into the market in Stepn. I'm going to play the strength in this space, but I need to give you the context though, right? We need to know what we're up against, and this $1.10 price level is massively strong. Like the sellers have been positioned there for a while, so we got to know that there's still a risk of the price in Stepn not trading above $1.10. We have to see that. But the reason why I'm still expecting that to happen is because on these 5-day price bars, even though we recognize that sellers came into the market, right? The market is still able to close higher than the previous 5-day price bar. Now, what that represents is that the market interest, that there's still demand here in Stepn now. The risk is if that demand wanes, if it leaves, then the market in Stepn will fall and fall below this ascending line. We have to be prepared for that. We have to know that even though we're leaning to seeing price go up in Stepn, that if the buyers ever leave this market, because they've been here for like 15 days trying to move this market higher and Stepn above $1.10, if they ever leave, we won't see the market break up above $1.10. So that's how you had to be quick to let that play go if you don't see it working out in your favor. Okay. So let me go ahead and do this real quick. Yeah, the market currently is weak. But the main reason why I'm looking for Stepn to continue to trend higher is how I've noticed that the buyers have been very reluctant into breaking this price down this ascending line. So pretty much If I ever see the market in Stepn break this trend line, I'm letting it go. I'm cutting it. The price prediction is not going to go right. Okay, so keep your eyes open on that. That's only a 10% move from where the market is right now. Let me bring it down to this level. Okay, we'll do 90 cents as support. So if the market in Stepn breaks below 90 cents, we know what the market's going to do ultimately. Okay, our first price target is going to be around $1.10, $1.11. You guys can see that's 6.85%. The second area is going to be here around $1.30, $1.29. That's 23.5. And the third one's around $1.40. I really don't see $1.40 yet, so let me keep it a buck. Let me keep it real. The two price targets that I'm looking at is really around 110 to 120. I mean 110, $1.10 to like $1.29, $1.30. Those two areas. Okay, so that is it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your price prediction into the market in Stepn. Has anything changed regarding where you think the market is going to go? Because if so, drop me a comment in the comment section. All right, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.